Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will review this 2025 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4 liters manual transmission. So titingnan natin na to, ano yung slight difference for this model as compared doon sa previous model. Let's go! Alright, so mapapansin natin agad guys yung difference ni Montero for this 2025 compared doon sa previous model is yung front grille. Then, yun yung parang major difference dito as compared doon sa nakaraang model. Aside from that, also the mags. Iba na din yung design ng mags. So dito sa likod, merong konting slight difference lang, especially dito sa baba. Yung design in between the reflectors. So parang may curve na konti. Pero hindi natin mapapansin yung difference dito sa likod. And yung size ng rim, the same pa din, 18 inch. Pero yung design lang ng mags yung naiba or binago. So, in totality, dito sa headlight, sa fog light, I think the same lang yung design dito. Right? So, naka-halogen pa din, projector. And then, yung signature light ni Montero, the same pa din, walang pinagbago yan. And I believe itong major na binago dito for this 3.5 variant or model of Montero is itong piano accent with a combination of silver matte finish dito sa front grille. And medyo malaki na yung mga honeycomb dito na design, which gives more attention din dito sa front fascia. The Mitsubishi Montero Sport is one of the most popular 7-seater SUV in the Philippines, constantly hitting the list of annual top-selling cars in the country. It basically continues to gain popularity, not just a status symbol but as a family car and a tough, reliable mid-size body-on-frame SUV on and off the road. So dito sa rim, naka 18 inch. Then yung side mirror, the same pa din, may turn signal light repeater with a combination of chrome and matte black finish na accent. The same pa din yung step board. And yung door handle is chrome accent. And of course, yung braking force dito sa likod, naka-ventilated disc brake pa din for this manual transmission. Bridgestone po yung brand ng mga tires. Naka-shark fin and meron pa ding roof rail. Alright? But of course, in this variant manual transmission, wala tayong makikitang spoiler. But you can actually purchase aftermarket. Dito sa likod, meron pa ding 4 sensors. And meron lang akong medyo konting napansin dito guys, itong design na ito. Itong matte black finish na black in between dito sa, yan, yung portion na ito. This is not present po doon sa previous model. And napansin ko din yung cutting, yung design dito sa pinakababa ng rear bumper. Dito, parang may curve na konting design. Ayan. Compared to the previous model. Yung hindi pa redesign yung front grille. So, in totality dito sa likod, walang masyadong pinagbago. Meron pa rin camera. Tapos, may chrome accent yung tailgate, yung handle. And of course, LED pa din yung third brake light. The Mitsubishi Montero Sport utilizes a leather frame chassis and comes available in the Philippines either rear-wheel drive or the 4x4 drive configuration. It comes powered by 4N15 engine, which is a 2.4 liter turbocharged inline 4 16-valve diesel motor that produces 179 horsepower and 430 Newton meter of torque. So inside the cabin, makikita natin dito guys, black yung dominant na color, especially dito sa mga upuan. But in terms of adjustment ng mga upuan, dito sa driver side, the same pa din, manual. And then dito sa armrest, sa driver side, naka-fabric. And lahat ng doors naka-fabric. And then fully automatic din naman yung mga windows. And then may chrome accent dito sa handle, yung bottle holder. And then dito sa side, meron akong napansin medyo konting difference dito. Yung side step seal, extended yung side step seal as compared to the previous model. And then very notifiable dito yung changes dito sa steering wheel, which is the same doon sa Strada. And doon pa din yung basic control sa infotainment. Sama din yung cruise control. Naka leather wrap with black stitching. Alright, tapos dito yung adjustment ng side mirrors. Then yung parking sensor button. And then yung pag-open ng gas tank. Yung aircon vent, may grab handle dito sa side. Pero sa driver side, walang grab handle dito sa taas. But sa passenger, meron naman. So sa sun visor, may mirror. The same pa din sa previous model. The usual na cabin light na naka-halogen. Sunglasses holder. And for the driver side, meron pa ding mirror and ilaw. So dito sa front fascia, sa dashboard perspective, walang masyadong pinagbago dito. Or walang pinagbago dito sa mga controls, sa air condition buttons, and sa infotainment, the same pa din. 7-inch, capable of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So yung mga buttons dito for the air condition, the same pa din. Yung hazard button, walang pinagbago. And meron tayo nakikita ditong socket, USB port, and yung aircon sa likod. So lagyan ng gamit, yung manual transmission panel. May accent na piano finish. Lagay ng coins, dalawang cup holder, the same pa din. Yung center console, hindi siya naka-leather. Manual yung handbrake. Hindi siya naka-push start. So, kung mapapansin natin guys, dito sa loob ng cabin, very slight lang yung difference, no? Pinagbago. Walang pinagbagong masyado. Except dito sa steering wheel, which is more notifiable yung changes. So, dito sa second row, ayan, fabric pa din yung side with white stitching. May piano finish yung accent dito sa gilid. And then, itong mga slight change dito sa yan, yung side step seal, parang in-extend yung side step seal para hindi ka na bumili aftermarket. May packet pa din dito sa likod. Pero wala tayong nakikita ditong USB port or any socket. So, naka-halogen pa din yung cabin lights. Yung aircon vents, both sides. Nandyan pa din. Tapos yung grab handle, which is very important. May hook. Yung grab handle din sa other side. And then, meron pa din na center console. Hindi lang natin ma-open kasi nakabalot pa ng plastic. Cabin light, naka-halogen pa din. The same pa din. For the dashboard perspective, 2025 Mitsubishi Montero manual transmission. Parang manubela lang yung pinagbago dito guys. And I believe wala din change sa price. The same pa din yung price. And yung discount din. So ito yung pinaka mababang variant ni Montero. But nandoon na din yung mga basic features na kailangan natin. So I believe this is more practical. May dalawang cup holders, may socket. And on the other side, yung aircon vent grab handle, the same din sa other side. And makikita din natin dito yung ilaw sa likod. Naka-halogen pa din. And of course, meron ditong compartment, lagayan ng mga tools. And yun yung cover ng pagkuha ng extra na gulong o reserve tire. So dito yung mga basic tools. So yung nagustuhan ko dito sa Montero guys is naka-flatten talaga yung arrangement or yung mechanism dito sa likod. So malapad talaga at malaki yung pwede mong malagyan ng gamit. So around 502 liters yung space dito sa likod. Pwede mong mapasukan ng malalaking gamit. Even yung mountain bike, meron akong mountain bike. Pag tinutupi ko yung second row, na-flatten yan, mapapasok dito yung mountain bike. So, yun lang din yung kagandahan dito sa Montero. Kasi, pwede mong maitupi yung second row and malapad yung space dito sa loob. Which gives more storage space, especially if you have lots of things, no, na pwede mo maikarga. Alright, so dito tayo sa engine bay for this 4N15 engine with a 2.4 liter turbocharged inline 4 dual overhead camshaft 16 valve diesel motor that produces 179 horsepower and 430 Newton meter of torque. So makikita natin the same pa rin yung placement ng brake fluid, yung fuel filter, yung mga fuse, yung battery, and then yung water for the wiper, and then the power steering fluid, radiator cap, and then yung fan, radiator fan, the same time yung turbo. So the same pa din yung makina, yung placement ng mga parts dito, as well as yung air filter. Ayan, nandito pa din, the same placement. And of course, huwag kalimutan natin yung coolant. Nandito. So, with the basic placement ng mga parts dito, for visual inspection before you will go, it's very important guys. Kasi para iwas aberya sa biyahe. By the way, this diesel engine also comes with a variable geometry turbo or the VGT, as well as the brand's Mitsubishi valve timing electronic control or the MyVic technology to help you go the extra mile. So in terms of safety, for this 2025 Montero Sport, I believe walang pinagbago dito in terms of number of airbags. So, merong driver's airbag at the same time meron din ditong passenger's airbag. So, yung lagayan ng gamit, usual na lagayan ng gamit. So, dito sa passenger side, manual din yung pag-adjust ng upuan. So, balita ko merong upcoming na all new Mitsubishi Montero. So sabi ng agent, around first quarter or last quarter this year papasok dito sa Pinas. So inaabangan natin yan lahat mga Montero owners. Kasi tiningnan ko sa YouTube, meron ng mga highlights doon and very aggressive yung look and very sporty din yung look. Bagong all new Mitsubishi Montero 2026. Sana hindi ganun kamahal. Right? So, by the way, in terms of safety, the Montero Sport is well equipped with standard features for the vehicle include dual front airbags for the lower models like this GLX, And then the ABS with EBD, brake override system, speed sensing door locks, ISOFIX, child seat tethers, and high impact side beams. So meron na din siyang cruise control guys for this manual transmission. The same with the previous model. So yung color po pala nito is diamond white. So I hope nagustuhan niyo yung review natin at nakita niyo yung gusto niyo makita. Yung slight difference lang for this 2025 Mitsubishi Montero manual transmission. Alright, so don't forget to like, follow, and share sa video natin, and pag-hit na din yung notification bell para sa mga next video natin. Thank you guys for watching and see you sa next video. Bye and God bless.